It's a pizza fest, pizza fest, pizza fest, pizza fest, pizza fest. Mapiza maige, kai, 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 kai.
Yeah, so dough yetu imefura. Sasa ni spread. So we are trying to spread it. Then we are going to transfer it to the baking tin.
Or the pizza stone.
Pizza stone.
Or the pizza tray.
Umeamua leo ni vocabulary.
Yeah, I told you I went to do catering in Israel. That was even before I was born.
Ulienda kufanya training before?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, when I was born with that knowledge from Israel.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, tunafaa tuweke kwa ile. So, guys, natengeneza hivi depending on the shape of your tray. Babe, kama mtu hana hiyo nini tray anatumia nini? What can you use?
For? Not for the oven. It's only the baking tray that's advisable because it's specifically made for that purpose.
Okay.
Because basically if you have an oven, you must because for pizza you must have an oven, and for the oven comes with its own tray. Even if it's jua kali made, they will fabricate together with its tray.
Ati fabricate. Nataka kuniua Yeah. Sasa, so where is the tray? Wewe ndio nitoe hapa.
Yeah.
Because we need to.
And you have to touch it with something.
Okay.
It should be hot. So guys, we'll show you after we put the pizza on the tray. Yeah? So yeah, follow us.
Leo ni pizza. Today is pizza day. So natengeza pizza. We're making pizza. So these are some of the ingredients. This is the dough. Pika na mwiko.
So yeah, today it's pizza. So perhaps you can tell them the ingredients in the dough.
Just a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, some extra virgin oil, yeast. This is yeast. Then all-purpose flour and warm water. You know. So ni kama kupika chapati.
Okay. Then I assume you have to wait for it to settle, for the yeast to rise.
Yes, you do. For like around 30 minutes. Before now we can transfer it to, what is it called? Hiyo kitu ya kupikia? Baking?
The oven tin or the baking tin.
Yeah, baking tin.
Yeah, or the pizza stone. Yeah.
You remember the last time we made pizza the way this thing in our work? It was the first time.
Yeah.
I was so shocked and I was saying.
So basically with yeast, the reaction, it makes the dough to rise because of the fermentation element in cheese. I think in yeast. I think it has some fermentation element, just like with the traditional porridge. The way when you put it in a container or even muratina, it bulges because of air. So yeast has a similar characteristics. Concept. Yes, it's an agent for
So this is what we are doing right now. Just making sure it's all stretchy, not too thin. Like I said, if you've made chapatis. Kaa tu kupika chapati kingine. Haina, iko na kazi mingi. It's very, but the pizza is very
it's tedious, it has a lot of
it has
work.
a lot of work. Yeah.
And a lot
Time
of processes,
consuming,
time consuming.
Like
you have to preheat the oven, you have to prepare the ingredients.
you can see,
like you can see.
Prepare before.
Yeah.
What is this?
So
pineapples.
Yeah. Pineapples. That is called
bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
Green, yellow, and red.
Capsicum.
Capsicum.
If
Yes.
I'm not wrong.
Yes.
We have onions.
Yes,
we have sausages.
You can also substitute with smokies if you feel like sausages are a bit pricey.
Yeah, that's correct.
Smoky.
Yeah.
Maisha isikustress sana. Kama unataka kupika pizza.
There will be other toppings such as minced meat. Yeah. We'll also include the usual pizza tomato paste.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so guys, once it's done, we'll wait for the dough to rise for around 30 minutes.
You've forgotten this other ingredient.
Yeah, in the meantime, we'll be preheating our oven. So this is the pizza tomato paste. And basically it's tomatoes. You either blend them or you put them in water, boil them so that you can remove the outer skin. Add tomato paste, add tomato sauce, and add any other spice of your liking. Like mine, I did add cayenne pepper, black pepper, there's a little bit of garlic. Yeah, so basically any spice that you want to coat your pizza in. And definitely, of course, we'll also have to grate the cheese. So yeah, making pizza, it's quite a tedious process. Cheese is also not a very cheap ingredient, especially in Kenya. So, and I think that's what dictates, or that's what makes pizza prices to be so pricey and not very affordable to the normal or the lower class. Yeah, because
the common
mwananchi, because but otherwise it would even find pizza on the streets, like in the developed countries, but in Kenya, still a high-end and middle-class thing. So yeah. So
I have a question.
Yeah.
Tunaika avocado.
Hiyo tunajua unapenda, but yako utaweka avocado.
Mimi nataka hii pizza ya avocado. Ama niitupe huko nje nisema watu.
That's a good one. Yeah, so
tunaweka avocado wewe.
Hiyo ni yako.
Niisha kabisa.
So guys, we'll proceed with the baking, then we'll see you shortly. Cheers. So guys, basically we are now spreading the dough on the baking tin. Then the next step will be making small pricks with the fork.
Why are we breaking it?
So that the pastes and the toppings can bond nicely. Then you put your preferred toppings. Yeah.
Tunga. So guys, what are you doing?
So basically this is the tomatoes. So the tomato paste, which is part and parcel of the pizza that you're spreading.
Okay.
So this is what gives it the base, the flavor, and all those other good things about a pizza.
Okay. Can you use your hands?
It's advisable to use like a spoon.
Okay.
Because for us, some of us, our hands are very, it use a lot of strength.
Force.
A lot of force, sorry. So the essence is just to ensure that this gets the pizza in all the places.
Alright. So the essence of the tomato sauce is to what? Oh, don't, it is enough. Or I spread for you.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Just to give it a base.
Oh. And the tanginess. The tangy feeling.
So the next step is to bring together cheese.
As you can see. Nini? Greater.
So yeah, we will get back after we do the opening.
Okay, so guys, we have already done. Sorry, we don't have very good lighting, and we have realized we don't have an extra socket to put the ring light for the lighting. So we have put, you can see our dough here. So we've put the toppings. We started with the tomato paste, then we added pineapples. We also have extra pineapples here we are going to do in the next one. Then we also added, this is bell pepper. Then we added smoky here. So what baby is doing is he's adding an extra layer of cheese, which is the bonding agent, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is to ensure.
You can put here at the end there.
Our pizza is in one piece, and basically it's cheesy. So, and cheese again makes it be. That one.
Mabushoki.
So here, to our left.
Unaweza tumia na right, but uweke
or black. Okay, so here it stops. And yeah, basically that. So we send it to the dungeons.
Where? The heat.
Yeah, when you read your Bible, it says hell will be like this.
Times how many?
I think I should put up because yes, we have 2 pizzas.
Oh yeah, guys, by the way, we have 2 pizzas because I mean all that work hatuwezi fanya kwa pizza moja, so we are doing the next one. All right.
Hasta la vista. So guys, we have 2 pizzas. So the down one is called Betty. The one on top is called Andrew.
Okay.
Yeah, so you want to take Andrew down and bring Betty up so that they can get, or rather they can cook evenly. Yeah, so
guys, by the way, Andrew is the one who knows how to use the oven or to bake or to grill. Mi sijui. Yeah. And I like it that way, ndio nipikiwe. Hey.
I stayed in, I was trained in Israel. So, and Betty was asking about the onions. So you can see the onions are coming along.
Yeah.
Yeah, so,
wow.
Yeah, you won't eat raw onions.
Raw onions, all right. Okay.
Yeah. So, hasta la vista.
So yeah. Yeah, pizza 1. So is this Andrew pizza or Betty pizza?
Both of us pizza.
Since you said the one is on top, the other one is the bottom.
Oh yeah, this was Andrew pizza.
This was Andrew pizza. So Andrew pizza is ready, guys. You can see. So all we are trying to do is, first of all, you ensure that it's loosened. Yeah. Okay, so you ensure that the crust here imeachana, like it's not sticking to the plate. It's still hot, so be very careful. like that, on both ends so that it doesn't break. Same here. Okay. So iko sawa kabisa. You can tell from the crust it's golden. You know, yummy. Can't wait to eat. So what's happening to Betty Pizza?
Yeah, it's there. So we want the crust to harden or golden brown. Get ready. Then we shortly we'll have it. So stay tuned.
We need to offload it here so that I cut.
Sure.
All right. So we're going to cut this into pieces with a pizza cutter. Hey, mwenye akona nguvu akuje akate.
Okay, let me then assist you.
Yeah.
So
it needs a lot of strength.
yeah, so guys.
Mimi ni mnyonge.
Good. Yeah. So there we go. Oh. Very delicious. So you direct me how I'm cutting it?
Mm.
Which other way?
Which other way? Like this, in rectangles. Like
Because I
one.
was preferring we do triangles.
Triangles. If you can, fine.
Let me see.
For me, I know I can't. So
No, we can. Let me show you how I'll do it. We achieve our triangles because I know pizzas we need to eat in triangles. So triangle one.
so ukikula ikiwa rectangle itaenda tumbo.
It goes, but traditionally you eat from the slimmest.
Oh, the sharpest end.
Yeah, in
Okay.
eating.
Oh, I have never even thought about it.
Yeah.
Okay. Sawa, my boss. But not very tiny ones. It doesn't. Yeah, then that one you can do. Guys, I hope you can see. Yummy. Hee, I can't wait.
No, if you
Cha
can be
kuokota si
storing
cha
those,
kuiba.
yeah. If you can be storing this, because I need more space.
All right. Guys,
So yeah, that's
I need
how
to
you
stop this fast. Then we do the necessary. Then we eat together.
It's a pizza fest, pizza fest, pizza fest, pizza fest, pizza fest. Mapiza maige, kai, mapiza maige, kai.